less than a week. So come on, let me take you for a ride. Watch this. First, I start off with some running up the hill. And I do this like 4 times per week. I do some lunges and I also squeeze. Make sure you squeeze in your butt, tighten your tummy, and your back aligned with your butt, just to take the pressure off your back, because trust me, the hill, it ain't easy to climb. And of course, we have to put in some squats. And for me, I do 50 squats daily because I ain't no pro as yet. But if you're a pro, you can do like 100. If you're a beginner, you just do it like for 25 minutes, 25 squats rather. And make sure you squeeze, tighten those cores, squeeze and up and down, and make sure you squeeze. You can see I'm in so much pain, but just me, it's worth it. Work it, girl. Work it, girl. And this one works on your waist and also your hips. And trust me, this one, it feels good because you're working your back also, and you're easing the pain, from working out. And just do some little bones. I don't know what this one do to you, but I mean, it does something for me because it's easing the pain. Well, anyway, as you can see, I'm turning that waist. Yeah, I'm turning that waist, girls. Yeah, girls, work it, girl. Yeah. And on the flat, I do like 2 miles daily. I run briskly, I jog, and I walk briskly. And I do this like 4 times per week in the mornings. As I rise, this is my first activity in the morning. Yeah, it feels good working out, getting fit. It's Corona time, and we gotta have that fitness. We gotta be prepared, both physically, mentally, emotionally, every alley. We gotta be prepared. And walking is always fun for me because I normally do walk with my family and friends, but sometimes I walk alone because sometimes they chicken out. And to bring my heart rate down, I do some little bounce. This is called the willy bounce, a Jamaican thing. You don't know, say, aluminium jewel, so I have to put in my little willy bounce thing. Yeah, it works on your arms also, your thighs. And I'm squeezing, as you can see. You can see that butt. I'm squeezing because even when I walk, I just squeeze. I always squeeze. My butt is firm. It's thick and firm. It's not saggy. So we want to achieve that also. So I work all the muscles because my arm, I don't want too much weight on my arm. I want my arms to be toned. So I work all the muscles, guys. I do some high knees as well with rotation of my arms. And as you can see, I'm touching my hips. It does work on your back and your arms as well. And I do this like for, call it 5 minutes. Yeah. I also do some jumping jacks. Yeah, because you gotta get those thighs firm and strong to hold up your butt, because you don't want to have a big butt and a small thigh, because you're gonna look like an ant. Yeah, we wanna get that firm. And of course, I have to end this video with some twerking. I don't know, say a meaning, Joel. I love dance. Although I can't dance, I love dance and wind up and go along with beer things. So yeah, dolls, I wanna thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Many more interesting videos to come, so stay tuned. But I don't know, say a medium, Joel, I might think it was shot. Keep it locked.